Hello, welcome to Python MCQ question answer series. In this video, we will discuss about variable. So let's start. This is our first question, and the question is, what is the maximum possible length of an identifier? The option A is 31 character, option B 63 characters, option C 79 characters, and option D none of the mentioned. The correct answer will be option D. The maximum possible length of an identifier is not defined in the Python language, so the identifiers can be of any length. Next question, which of the following is invalid? Option A underscore A equal to 1, option B underscore underscore A equals to 1, option C double underscore str double underscore equal to 1, and option D none of the mentioned. Here the correct answer will be option D. All the statement will execute successfully but at the cost of low readability. So the variable name should be readable and it should be meaningful. Now I'll show you some rules for identifiers. I already discussed all these rules in the tutorial section. You can see that video. I'll provide the link of that video in the video description. You can see, or you can just pause the video and you can read the rules for naming identifiers. But here in this video I'll not discuss all these rules. So go to the next question. Here is the question 3. Which of the following is an invalid variable? Option A this one, option B this one, option C this one, and option D underscore. Here the correct answer will be option B 1st underscore string. This is not a valid identifier because the variable names should not start with a number. Next question, why are local variable names beginning with an underscore discouraged? Option A, they are used to indicate a private variables of a class. Option B, they confuse the interpreter. Option C, they are used to indicate global variables. Option D, they slow down execution. Here the correct answer will be option A. They are used to indicate a private variable of a class. As Python has no concept of private variables, leading underscores are used to indicate variables that must not be accessed from outside the class. Now we'll see the next question. Which of the following words cannot be a variable in Python language? Option A underscore VAL, option B VAL, option C try, option D underscore try underscore. Here the correct answer will be option C. Try is a keyword, that is why it will not be a variable name. Now we'll go to the next question. Which of the following is true for variable names in Python? Option A unlimited length, option B all private members must have leading and trailing underscore, option C underscore and ampersand are the only two special characters allowed, option D none of the mentioned. Here the correct answer will be option A, because variable names can be of any length. You can give the clear variable names in 3 ways. Number 1, a variable name should describe the entity the variable represents. Number 2, when writing your code, prioritize ease of reading over speed of writing. And number 3, use consistent standards throughout a project to minimize the cognitive burden of small decisions. So that's it for today. We have completed 6 questions in this video. In the next video we'll see more questions of Python MCQ. Till then, take care, bye bye, see you in the next video.